On January 7th, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director Rochelle Walensky was interviewed by ABC's Good Morning America. Now, a quote from the discussion is being widely shared on social media, including a tweet from Donald Trump Jr. that's been liked more than 56,000 times, claiming 75% of COVID deaths were in people with at least 4 comorbidities. So, let's verify. Was CDC Director Rochelle Walensky referring to all COVID-19 deaths when she said 75% of deaths were in people with 4 comorbidities? Our sources are the CDC and the original video from Good Morning America. Walensky was quoted responding to a question about whether COVID-19 vaccines are effective enough for us to start rethinking how we live with the virus. Journalist Cecilia Vega cited a CDC study when framing her question, but that was left out of the original broadcast. Wolansky answered by citing a study of more than 1 million vaccinated people.
A study of 1.2 million people who were vaccinated between December and October and demonstrated that severe disease occurred in about 0.015% of the people who were received their primary series, and death in 0.003% of those people. The overwhelming number of deaths, over 75%, occurred in people who had at least 4 comorbidities. So really, these are people who were unwell to begin with.
It showed only 1 in every 30,000 actually died, and of those, 75%, or 28 people, had at least 4 comorbidities. However, the broadcast cut off the first part of her answer, leaving the quote out of context. So, it's false that CDC Director Rochelle Walensky was referring to all COVID-19 deaths when she said 75% of deaths were in people with 4 comorbidities. The interview was originally aired out of context, which led to misleading tweets. ABC has since released its entire interview with Walensky. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.